Hey guys, today I'm playing the NFL Universe Football Week 11. Let's get to it. Oh my god! Oh my god! That was good. Yeah. It's good. The quarterbacker is mine. Okay, here's one ready. Week 11. He is... Nope, never mind. Oh. Fake punt. Nobody can catch it. Turnovers. I have tackle him first. Safe. Oh. What are you doing? It's me on defense. Had to pressure it. Intercept. Shit. Oh! Oh, I did it! Can't believe it. Woo! I'm number one. Oh, you shouldn't do that for the first place. Volcanoes versus the Volcanoes. Oh, he got it. He got it. I want to get in the fucking balcony. Oh. Too bad. Turn over this bitch. Is that because he's too short? Wow, what a catch, man. Team dance. That's new. Field goal. Fake field goal. He got it. Whoever made the... How to play a game of patty cake? Oh! Yeah, you made it. Volcanoes, Mexico! You're going for it. Why are you walking like that? Turnovers. You're going for it. Why are you walking like that? Turnovers. And push it tight. Got it. Half time. Alright. The number one trying to stop me from talking to the quarterback. Look at that. The Volcanoes. Honolulu. Honolulu. Fucking damn it. We're in offense. Defense. Whoever comes. He is oh, pick it up. Yeah! First and goal. We got it. Juju in the beat. Juju in the beat. Woo! Hey. We got it good. Intercept. Oh, all standing idle. Okay, interesting. Good. Very good. Team dance? Something? Or just nothing? I think they're double team. Okay. Double team is crazy. And there's... No, never mind. Just kidding. Finally. Big putt. Look at this guy's open. Thanks a lot, you bastards. You... Just... Interception. He's going for it. Oh, he got it. Okay, we got it. I think I know why this beat. I think I know why Mom called me because I'm being too loud. Okay, we won though. Team dance. Yeah. Lifting weights. Mercy roll. Alright, that's it for right now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe for me. If you really love football in week 11. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.